Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Monkey King from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cool monkey, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, not too far, say about right here, and draw another circle. There, now my two circles in, I'm going to come to the top right here and draw another small circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing here. So thank you cuties for all your support, for all the Roblox Adopt Me pets I've drawn so far. If you love them, please definitely help me. Just comment below. Let me know what other pets you would like me to help you draw. Okay, so now there's two eyes in. I'm going to come to the bottom and we need to draw this big ovalish shape. So let's come over here right underneath the eyes. I'm going to start with this curve. If my Sharpie would cooperate. And I'm just going to lightly create and start this big oval. So right underneath the eyes, I've created this curve and I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to pass the eye just a little bit. So this is like the most delicate part. So now, oh, it's so sad. And then let's go ahead. It's so cute, right? When we haven't finished our drawing now, it looks sad. Now we're going to bring it down even more. Now it's even sadder. Okay, let's go ahead and we're just going to create this big ovalish shape for the bottom of our monkey. There, just something like that, this big oval. Then from there we're going to come back to the top right here in the center. Just give it a little bit of space and about right there. Round it off. We're going to draw the nose and connect for our monkey. There. Then from there we're going to come back to the top of the eye, come out, say about right here, and I'm going to just draw a curve to finish off the face and bring it in. So same thing over here, just about the same width as the other side, but right there, and just draw a curve and bring it in. So now it's starting to look like a monkey, right? Okay, so then from there, let's come back to our center and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw a curve coming down close to the eye, and then it's going to round off. So same thing here. So we're just starting to draw the crown. So come right over the eye and down. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to round this part off. And same thing here, round this part off for the crown. And then I'm going to go up. I'm going to go up straight. And about right here, I'm going to curve in. And then come back out to create this band. So I'm just going to make it nice and round. So same thing on this side. Just want to curve just like the other side and then come out and create this band. There. Then from there, let's finish off the crown. I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve. Just to make sure this curve is past this, so it makes sense that it's a crown over the head. And then the top part, we're going to draw another layer. So one big curve right in the center. There. And then at the top right here, we need to draw these feathers that are coming out. So I'm going to come up right in the center. I'm going to go up and down. Create this first one, thicken it up, and bring it right back in. So same thing on the other side. Oops. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. Oh, now let's draw the ears, of course. So let's come back to about right here, and we're going to draw a big curve. Comes back in. Then for some details, we're going to draw a curve here and a curve here. So same thing on the other side. We're going to start by the same area, and let's end at the same area. So about right here. Big curve. And once again, connect. There, we're finally done with the head. Now to draw the body. So let's see here. Let's come to the, let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve coming down on both sides. So this is kind of like where the shoulders, the arms are going to start. About right here. Then let's come back in. So we're just going to find the width of our arm. So about right here and right here. We want it nice and center. So let's go on this side first. I'm just going to bring this down, bring this down. And I'm going to need to do some erasing later, but I think it's just a lot easier to draw it this way. So bring it down to say about right here and connect. So same thing here. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. And here, so same level and connect. So those are the arms. Then from there, let's go ahead and work on these arms. So I'm going to come right here. There's these kind of like plates. So that's what we need to draw. So there's going to be 1, 2. So 2 main plates. So we're going to cut this off. 1 and 2. Then let's see here. You can either let's pop this. Let's pop this out then. So we're going to pop this out. And same thing here. There. And then I'll come over here and do the same thing on the other side. So just pop it out. Okay, so then I'm going to come in here real quick with my whiteout pen so you can see what's going on. Of course, if you're comfortable just drawing these things popping out, definitely do that, but I just wanted to show you an easier way to draw it, but you would have to erase. Okay, I'm going to wait for them to dry a little bit, then let's come back to say about right here, right where the arms are. I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a curve. So we know where the belt is, and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just thicken up this belt. Then let's come into the center. So center about right here. And I'm going to draw a big oval for the center of our belt. There. And then thicken this up for some detail. There. And then let's see here. Now let's come back over here. I'm just going to give it a little cuff. Same thing here. And now for the hands. So let's come down and we're just going to curve it a little bit and down. This side is just going to be out and then connect. So connect straight. And then right by here, you can just add 2 lines. So same thing here. Just give a little bit of curve right here. And then this part just curves out and connects. There. And so then let's come back into this area right here. Just going to draw another level, and then in the center add 2 angle lines right there for the bottom, and then the feet. I'm just going to kind of tuck them in. So I'm just going to draw a curve and another curve without having to draw too many details. There. Okay, so now let's come back to these plates right here. So I'm just going to draw a curve and same thing here. For some detail there. So hopefully that helps make it a little bit easier to draw. And let's see, what else am I missing? And if you want to draw a tail, the original doesn't show a tail, but I feel like it needs a tail. So I'm just gonna say about right here. Hopefully this makes sense. I'm just gonna pop out a tail. I'm just gonna curve it and bring it in for our Monkey King. And last but not least, I'll add a heart right here, very small one, to make this my Draw So Cute Monkey King from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. I really hope you love how this turned out, and if I helped you draw this fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.